Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I am your host, Carrie Scharf. Today, we will be discussing why you shouldn't put anything on your skin that you wouldn't eat. We'll explore some edible ingredients that are great for the skin, discuss the negative impact of unnatural ingredients, and walk through how you can transition to edible skincare. We'll even share a recipe for a delightful skin smoothie mask with you. Bring your curiosity, your affinity for natural products, and your love for self-pampering. For this is an episode that celebrates the marriage of skin health and nature's bounty. So, let's get started. Our skin is our body's largest organ, and what we put on it can be absorbed into our bloodstream. That's why, if you wouldn't eat it, don't put it in your skincare, has become an adage for many of us. The principles of simplicity, safety, and purity are crucial not just for our diet, but also for what we apply to our skin. Many conventional skincare products contain synthetic chemicals and artificial fragrances that can irritate the skin or even contribute to long-term health issues. Conversely, natural skincare focuses on ingredients that are safe enough to eat, like oils, butters, and plant-based extracts. These ingredients nourish your skin without unnecessary toxins. Now let's move on to some edible ingredients that can work wonders for our skin. Coconut oil is deeply moisturizing and full of antioxidants, making it a great body moisturizer, makeup remover, or lip balm. Honey, with its antibacterial properties and nutrients, is perfect for soothing and hydrating dry or irritated skin. You can use raw honey as a face mask or add it to a DIY exfoliating scrub. Oats calm and soothe the skin and can be used as a face mask or bath soak. Avocado, rich in vitamins A, D, and E, promote collagen production and nourish dry skin. Ever tried a hydrating face mask made of avocado and honey? If not, give it a shot. Lastly, pure aloe gel can soothe sunburns and irritated skin. However, it's important to watch out for the unpleasant side of skincare, the unnatural ingredients. These include parabens linked to hormone disruption, phthalates found in artificial fragrances associated with reproductive health issues, sodium lauryl sulfate, or SLS that can strip the skin of natural oils, and artificial colors and fragrances that can cause allergic reactions. By using natural edible ingredients, we can avoid these problematic substances. How about making a shift to edible skincare, you ask? Start by simplifying your routine. Use a few multi-purpose products, like coconut oil for moisturizing and honey for cleansing. Read product labels carefully. Watch out for synthetic chemicals and look for food-grade ingredients. Why not DIY your skincare? It's a fun and rewarding way to ensure you know exactly what's going on your skin. Always listen to your skin and remember that not every ingredient will work for everyone. Always test new ingredients on a small patch of skin before using them extensively. Now let's try a simple, nourishing recipe called the Skin Smoothie Mask. It includes 1 tablespoon avocado, 1 teaspoon raw honey, 1 teaspoon plain yogurt, and 1 or 2 teaspoon olive oil. Mash the avocado until smooth. Add honey, yogurt, and olive oil, and mix well. Apply to clean skin, leave on for 15 minutes, rinse with warm water, and voila, a refreshed complexion. In conclusion, the philosophy of if you wouldn't eat it, don't put it in your skincare isn't just about avoiding harmful ingredients. It's about treating your skin with the respect it deserves and nourishing it with simple, natural products. Thus, next time you're considering a skincare product, ask yourself, would I feel comfortable eating this? If the answer is yes, your skin will most probably thank you for it. Please like, subscribe, and share if you have enjoyed this episode of Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. Do check the show notes for links and a free download. And if you're curious to learn more about skincare and self-care, feel free to drop me a message. Until next time, this is Carrie Scharf signing off.